Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We're still continuing to build on our stabs and baby scratches. In the previous lesson, we worked on eighth notes, quarter notes, and eighth rests. In this lesson, we're going to step things up and add 16th note baby scratches to the rhythms. You'll find a link to the sheet music in the description below. Alright, let's get started. The tempo is at 88 beats per minute. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time around, let's focus on playing the accents on beats 1 and 3. The stab is a short accented stroke, so let's get the sound to stand out. They should not sound like your other strokes. They should sound noticeably different. Alright? Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the next rhythm and continue to concentrate on accenting our stabs. This time we are going to stab on beat 1, beat 2, and beat 4 of the first two measures. For measures 3 and 4, we are going to stab beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4. We are going to pay attention to the stabs, and we are also going to try not to rush. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to move on to the fourth and final rhythm. This time we're going to make sure that we're following the golden rule. We're going to count out loud. When playing accented notes, we sometimes focus on accenting the notes so much that we tend to rush. That's why we're going to count out loud. We're going to make sure that we focus on nailing our timing. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. A key component to good practice is understanding the value of repetition, because developing skills and musical knowledge is an ongoing process. We should choose specific things to concentrate on with each repetition. This is one of the ways that we build our skills, and if you work at it, it will make progressing easier. I hope this information helps you out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.